Hey guys, it's mcfixit. Today's product review is the Smart Ring for men and women. It has a fitness tracker built into it, heart rate, blood pressure, pulse ox, sleep tracker. There's no subscription. It is supposed to be waterproof and works for Android and Apple products. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this, do some testing on it, and give you guys my final thoughts. Stick around for the whole video to see all of it. Let's go ahead and unbox this. There's a piece of plastic on it, so you will need to take that off. And this is a size 10 black ring. They have multiple options, so pick the one that is best for you. We'll go ahead and slide this off. And it comes in a little box here. Inside the box comes with the charger and the ring. So we'll go ahead and pull that out and show you what the charger looks like. And the ring is right here. And you can see it does have a little magnetic part on little metal piece right here. Inside the bottom side does come with a charger. Also comes with a user manual. Make sure to read the entire user manual so you know exactly how it works. Also has the QR code for the app, which will go through how to activate it and charge it. And then also in other languages if that's something that helps you out. So a few different languages it is already translated into. So inside the box, you get your ring, and it has multiple colors and multiple different size options. So make sure you follow the instructions online to get the correct size. It does have a ring box, and this will allow a charger to go onto it. And also comes with a charger if you don't want it to put it in the ring box. And so both of those are USB on one end and then USB-C on this end. So I'm going to go ahead and take the charger and go ahead and plug this in to where we can get it in the ring. So we're going to go ahead and take it and plug it into the case on the back side. And you're going to find the little metal piece on the ring, which is right here. And go ahead and set it. It automatically charges right there. It is magnetic to that, so you will be able to tell. You can see the red light there. It does say this takes about 30 minutes to charge from empty. It has a 3 to 5 day use and a standby time of 7 to 10 days. You can be using this with your iPhone or an Android. We're going to go ahead and let this thing charge until it turns green. While this device is charging, we're going to go ahead and set up the app. Right here is the QR code, so you can go ahead and scan that either here on the screen or in the booklet. So we got the QR code here. We'll go ahead and scan it with a device. And then you will go ahead and open up the QR code. Sometimes this takes a couple of seconds when scanning QR codes, so just be patient with it. And then right here is the app where you have an iPhone. So we're going to go ahead and click the Apple Store. You can also type this in as well if that's helpful. Go ahead and click that. Go ahead and install. If there's any kind of password, go ahead and put that in. So it will authorize it and we'll start downloading instantly. So once it is fully downloaded, you can go ahead and open up the app. I like to allow it to use notifications and locations, and so it'll walk you through a number of different screens that you can customize. So you can go ahead and set up a username and login. So if you already have an account, you can easily log in here. If not, you're going to need to register. It'll ask you a number of things, so go ahead and do that. So once you have selected your region and your email address, you're going to go ahead and send a verification code, and you will copy and paste that code in here and then click next. Once you've hit that next button, you can go ahead and set up your password and click register. Go ahead and click register once you have your password and you have successfully done it. Now you can go ahead and use your username and password. And then once you have your username and password in there, you can go ahead and click login. And then you can fill out all of this information. You can save your password if you would like. So I just filled out some random information, so don't try to use this because that's not going to get you anywhere. But go ahead and select the information and it will help improve the functionality of this ring. And so throughout the day, you'll be able to use your ring and be able to tell everything within this app, which is pretty cool. Has a lot of different features. So you have sports record. Well, let's go to the top. So this has a lot of different features. First, it shows what the weather is like. So if you care about that, then you can see what the activities of today possessed. Sports record, heart rate, sleep, blood pressure, pulse ox, weight, your temperature, blood sugar, and stress. That's pretty cool. That allows you to do all of that. And then you can choose some different activities, different devices you can connect to. If you want to edit any of this information, you can do that right here. I'm going to run into settings and switch the units over to feet, miles, and pounds, and the temperature over to Fahrenheit, and a 12-hour system, because that's what we use. So it is nice that it allows you to do that, which will give you a little bit better and probably more accurate information. And see, you can tell different weights and everything like that will now be in US standard information. And so that's pretty awesome. We'll go ahead and let this ring fully charge, and once it turns green, we'll go ahead and jump back into wearing it and showing you all the functionality. Okay, this thing has been charging for a while now, so we'll go ahead and take it off, and you will see that it is very similar in size and even weight. This is a silicone band, but overall, really the same exact size. So size 10 is what I need, so make sure to measure yourself and get the correct size. I'm going to go ahead and take this little metal piece here is going to slide down and go right here. Next thing we're going to do is go ahead and go back into our app. I'm going to click devices down here, add device. You're going to scan. Make sure your Bluetooth is on in your apps. You're going to go ahead and select the R6. It will successfully bind. Click complete. You'll see that it's not fully charged. I should have probably charged it a little bit longer, but it will work. It lasts for multiple days. So we'll go ahead and use this and come back and find out what's going on towards the end of today and see what it looks like. So let's go ahead and pull up the statistics on the ring for today. My activity energy was kind of low, only 270. My standing activity was 12 out of 10. So each hour wants you to do 10. I did 12 hours of standing, and I did beat my steps at 8,659, which gives me a total distance of 3.66 miles. This thing does seem to measure very accurate. I actually just looked at my phone and Apple Watch a minute ago, and it is very similar. I did have my Apple Watch on a little bit earlier than putting on the ring for this test, but overall, very accurate. I really, really do like that. So this thing allows you to do a whole lot of stuff. Sleep monitoring, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen level, stress detection. So pretty awesome from just a super small ring. I also took a shower with this. No issues in the shower. It's still working perfectly fine. I think that is because how it is designed with the little magnetic charger. So you can use it in the shower. It does say you can even go swimming, cycling, walking, running, whatever you want to do activity-wise. You can even set your own goals to make sure you're beating what you need to do. And it did charge really quick and seems to be holding battery well. So I'm excited that it will last multiple days, unlike my watch that only lasts about 12 hours and then it starts to die. This thing could be an excellent gift for somebody that you know. They have them in men's and women's sizes, a couple of different colors. So make sure to go ahead and pick up yours today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not to mcfixit. I would really appreciate it and help grow this channel. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care.